Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In my previous video, I have shared a list of interview questions with you. The very first question was about activity. In this video, I will explain activity and its lifecycle methods. First of all, I will tell you what is an activity. An activity represents a single screen that user interacts with. Interviewer can ask you about base class of activity. Normally candidates know about activity well, but they might not be aware of its base class. Activity's base class is context theme wrapper class. Every activity in Android has a life cycle, which includes 7 methods. The system invokes each of these methods as an activity enters to a new state. The very first method is Oncreate. This method is called when system first creates the activity. In the Oncreate method, we add basic application startup logic that should happen only once for the entire life of the activity. The next one is Onstart. In this method, the app initializes the code that maintains the UI. If any lifecycle aware components tied to the activity's lifecycle, then it will receive the Onstart event. The next one is onResume. This is the state in which the app interacts with the user. The app stays in this state until something happens to take focus away from the app. For example, user is navigating to another activity. The next one is onPause. This method indicates that the activity is no longer in the foreground, though it may still be visible. There are several reasons why an activity may enter this state. For example, a new semi-transparent activity such as a dialog opens. In simple words, as long as the activity is still partially visible but not in focus, it remains paused. The next one is onStop. In this state, activity is no longer visible to the user. This may occur when a newly launched activity covers the entire screen. The system may also call this method when the activity has finished running and it is about to be terminated. The next one is onRestart. From the stopped state, the activity either comes back to interact with the user, or the activity is finished running and goes away. If the activity comes back, the system invokes onRestart. If the activity finished running, then the system calls onDestroy. The last callback method of the activity lifecycle is onDestroy. This is called when the activity is finishing, either the user is dismissing the activity, or finish method is being called in the activity, or the system is destroying the activity due to a configuration change. This is all about the lifecycle methods of activity. I hope this video will help you to understand the concept.